Hey guys, this is Steven Smith with Marinemax here in Houston, coming today to show you a brand new model for this year, the 2018 Sea Ray 23 SPX. This specific one that you see, we've optioned with the Select package, which includes the cognac interior, some of the stainless steel bezel and other appointments that you see. Obviously the quality you expect out of a Sea Ray up front. You've got some storage under both of these seats here. You've got anchor storage underneath of that section there, and a really big wide open bow, good for hanging out with the family and just having a lot of space for everyone to be in the boat. At the helm, like I said, you notice you've got stainless steel and some wood grain here. You've got a flip-up bolster for the captain's chair. Over here on the passenger side, something you don't typically see on a 23-foot boat is this boat is equipped with a head. Can be optioned with a pump out or a vacuum flush head. Of course, flip-up bolster and swivel chairs for both the captains. More storage down in the floor here. Another cooler section here, a built-in igloo cooler underneath of that seat, just very well utilized, all the space in this boat. Of course, it's equipped with the wakeboard tower that you can use for pulling tubes, skiers, wakeboard, etc. This boat's equipped with the Mercury 4.5 liter V6 that was new just a couple years ago, making 250 prop horsepower. Plenty of power for this boat to really just enjoy your day out on the lake with the family and just to have a lot of fun. Come see us today. Again, this is the 2018-23 SPX from Sea Ray, and my name's Steven. Thanks.